Hi, I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Now somebody asked me about a comment I made a while back about ductwork being handy. Well, we have cold air returns and hot air outputs for the furnace. And the cold air returns seem to be just about perfect. Because if I put this on the hot air ductwork, it's just the right height to hit my head. But if I put it on the cold air ductwork, no problem. So, every once in a while you'll see me reach up and grab something. That's what I'm getting. It's nice when you drop a little thing on the floor. I don't bend over so good anymore. So, that's a handy thing to have.